How to find deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To find the deleted listing on your Facebook Marketplace, you can launch a Facebook application in your device. So right over here, if you have placed any of the product for sale, you will see it right over here in the Marketplace icon. However, since Facebook does not have a direct way to find a deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace, you might not be able to find the listing that you have removed or erased from the platform. This is because usually when the listing is removed, it is typically erased from the platform's database as well. If you click on the person icon right here, on the selling, you will see the option of listing, quick action, marketplace, and more. If there would have been an option of deleted listing, it could have been right over here. So since as for now the feature is not available, we might not able to find deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.